All right, guys, we're doing the seventh hired request on the 2018 list. The song is Over by The Who. And let's take a listen here. And so forth. Hello, everyone. I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part one lesson here in just a minute. But all of the lessons for this whole thing, and they are extensive, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all mobile devices, something on there for everyone. Even if you are a complete beginner, I have 50 basic lessons to get you started. Or if you already played and want to just jump in and learn this, that'll be great too. Look me up on Facebook. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. So we start out with this opening riff, I'll call it, the keyboard riff. And it serves as the verse and also as, or the intro and also as the verse for a long time. In fact, you play it all the way until a minute 16. So really, you're getting a lot of mileage out of this riff here. At a minute and 16, it changes, and then really, I have a whole page written for this, and then there's much of a second page also. So, but this will get you started on it. And so we're going to start with E flat, G, B flat, D in the right hand, and F on the left hand, all right? And we're going to disregard the stuff in the smaller text there this first time through. We're just going to go bum, and then a G. Then we're going to go to D, F, A, C in the right, left hand on a B flat. So it's bum, bum, bum. You may wonder what the E flat's for. It comes in later. Bum, because the guy improvises and does a little bit more, here and there. So the first time we won't do it. And then we have D and then F and A, which you're already playing. And the left hand B flat. So it's bum, 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 and 4 and. Okay? Da, da, da. Now, bum, 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 bum. So this is going to go C, E flat, G, B flat in the right. Left hand on a C. Then the right hand has C, E flat. And then the right hand has C, F, A, C, left hand on an F. So bum, 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 bum. Then you have middle C again. And then we'll have G and C with 2 and 5. Then we'll do a little flip thing. A, G, F, da-da-da-dum, ba-ba-da-da-dum. Okay? So bum, 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 bum. Let's go from the beginning, kind of slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Now, the stuff in parentheses is stuff the guy starts doing later, like that E flat to G. Bum, 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 bum. I like playing it that way every time. It's kind of cool. So, add the E flat. Da, 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 da. Now here is, he gets to where he does that every time. Da, 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 dum. What is that? It's what you did right here. So you just play it there. You go bum, 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 bum. You still play the D. Then you do da-da-da-dum instead of that. And then and you play it, I don't know, I didn't count how many times, but it's the intro and the verse over and over. Then when it's time for the next section, we move on. Right before a minute and 16 seconds, when we're leading into this, he does this. Ba, 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 bum, bum, bum. So you just play that chord again, C, F, A, C. And then we'll go on. But that little return arrow is just telling you to play this a bunch of times. Okay? So that last time you'll go bum, 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 bum. Like that. And then we'll go on. And it has something different after that, which we'll look at in lesson 2. But let's make sure we have this down for part 1. And I always say this, but don't get too caught up with doing exactly what someone did in one performance. If they play it 20 times, trying to get it all 20 times, your 20 times, just like their 20 times, because I guarantee you their 20 times, if they did it again, would be different. So just learn the style, learn what's going on right here, and just have fun with it and play it over and over, and even add some of your own stuff when you feel comfortable. Repeat it again. Over and over. That last time it'll be bum, bum, bum. And then we'll go to a minute and 16 and see what happens at that point. All right, hope you guys enjoyed that. See you later.